been Rasvedelta. Today it's the 15th of March 2024, built in 1982, Mirage in 2006, but still important. It is still important.
Yeah.
Best is 30% was going to have 62008. And yeah, it had MB9 before.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of classic VR here. Yeah, this also we filmed all of them, except the one, but maybe in the future. That's the Kuopio University Hospital, A-Rig.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a door closer.
Yeah. Spectate kaikki väistytään, maintained by Suomen sirakointi.
So we just filmed on some of the best hospital elevators in Finland.
Yeah.
Because two of them are 1984 original Civic.
Yeah.
Looking at the stove button.
Yeah.
It's pretty unusual though.
Yeah.
I think it can cancel here.
Yeah.
Yes.